Today, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you guns and ammo for Gunny. We need to investigate the weapon storage at Hunter's Paradise. Let's go ahead and do that. Now that we're heading to Hunter's Paradise, all the way up at the far extreme north side of the map, up here, we'll zoom in, and over here by the firing lanes, just to the west, is where we need to head to get this done. So right over here, we'll practically need to just enter a building, walk out, and we'll be set. That's it. This is a very dangerous zone though, so come prepared, or with friends. So I'm heading west, you'll eventually find this building here, all the way at the far west side. So heading in all the way to the end. Inside of here, you'll see that when we go through it, we get to this little room over here, and as soon as we do, we get everything that we need done. But you can come around and into here. So once again, all the way on the far west side here, we enter this building from the east, go in here, around, and we come into here. That's it. Now that you've done this, you can head all the way back home, and you're pretty much done with this quest. Then, handing in the guns and ammo quest for Gunny, we'll complete it here, and congratulations, we're done with this now, taking our rep up to level 3, and of course, giving us some items in return. So, thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.